Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on blood relations. M, N, O and P are all different individuals. M is the daughter of N is the son of O is the father of P. Among all the following statements, which one is true? And then we are given with four set of statements. So before we come to the statements, let us analyze what is the relationship given among these four individuals. To do so, there are two things we must be very careful about when we do a question based on blood relation. First thing, we cannot assume the gender of any person. We have to strictly go with the statements given in the question. Secondly, it's always good to solve a question by assuming ourselves in the question. And also, when there are multiple people involved in the question, like in this question, there are M, N, O, and P, four individuals. So when there are multiple people involved, we will try and use a flowchart or a diagrammatic representation to get the answer. Let us see how can we approach this question. So the first line says that M is the daughter of N. So if I see M is the daughter of N, we can easily say that M is a female. And because M is the daughter of N, I'll put it in this way. M is the daughter of N. Now as you can see, I have drawn a vertical arrow because M and N are two different generations. Also, I haven't put any gender so far for N because I do not know whether N is a male or a female. Yes, I know the gender of M and hence I have put F, which stands for female. The second line says N is the son of O. Yes, now because N is the son, he has to be a male person of O. So again I put O in the vertical line and I do not know the gender of O. N is the son of O. Next statement says O is the father of P. Now see, O is the father of P. Father, hence O being a male and father of P. Now again, I do not know the gender of P so far. So this is what is given in the question. So I have put all the information which is given in the question in the form of a flowchart. Now let me check the options. First option, M is the daughter of P. M is the daughter of P, which is clearly a wrong statement. So this is incorrect. Second statement says if B is the daughter of N, then M and B are sisters. It's given that if B is the daughter of N, B is the daughter of N, that means M and B are sisters. As we can clearly see that because N is the father of M and N being the father of B and B and M both being female can be the sisters to each other, and therefore I can say that this statement is correct. Let's move to the third statement. If C is the granddaughter of O, then C and M are sisters. C being the granddaughter of O, that means C can be daughter of P or C can be a daughter of N. And then C and M are sisters. As we can see, yes, C and M are sisters. Here also C and M are sisters. But I would say C and M are sisters and C and M are cousins. These two are different hierarchies, or I would say a different concept altogether. So if this question has only one correct answer, It would be second, not third. But yes, if the question has multiple correct answers, this statement can also be correct. But because we are talking about a single statement to be correct, this statement can be considered as incorrect, and the only reason is because we are not sure whether M and C are cousin or sisters. The last statement says P and N are brothers. P and N are brothers. We are not sure about the gender of P, and therefore we cannot say that P and N are brothers. Hence, this is a wrong statement. So by going through the statements using the flowchart, we can easily judge which of the statement or statements are correct. I hope you are clear with the solution. Thank you.